Hey everyone. Today we are going to play Roblox. Last time I just destroyed Roblox headquarters, and there was no sound because on my computer when I was recording I couldn't record my voice, which was very weird. That made me sad, so I had to record on my iPad and stuff. So yeah, I record on my iPad, but now I'm recording on my phone. Alright, so today we are playing Survive the Natural Disasters. It's one of the games that I really like. Alright, let's turn up the volume a little bit. Oh wait, we already have volume up. I think we need to raise the volume. Just a minute. Alright. I wonder what disaster is gonna be. There are lots of disasters in this game. Acid rain, flash flood, and many more. Oh yeah, I forgot there's like a basement here. Isn't there? Yeah, there's a basement here. There's a little basement in here, yeah. With a bunch of computers. It's pretty cool. Okay, sorry, I was just checking something. Oh, poop! Okay, I literally just logged out of the game. Darn it, I have to wait. Oh god, someone just died. Okay, sorry, I was just checking something. Now I have to wait. Alright, let's look. See what's happening over there. Oh my gosh, a flash. Oh no, someone just jumped off. Oh no. Oh my. Oh, hello. You. Oh. This woman has such a small and tiny head. Oh, wait. That was a noob. That was like a noob with a golden head. What was that? Oh, hey. Oh, whoa. Oh no, they're clouds. Oh no. That's definitely not a good sign. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, it's a sandstorm. It's gonna be a sandstorm. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, sandstorm, dodge flying objects. I'll hide in here. I'll hide in this tunnel. Oh, hello. Hide in the tunnel. I think we'll be safe in this tunnel. It's really hard to see anything. Probably since I'm recording, we probably can't see anything. Oh, whoa. Oh no, the tunnel just collapsed. Everything's collapsing. I think we're okay. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Ah! Whoa! It's hard. I can't really see anything, but I can definitely tell that something's wrong. Very wrong. Oh no! Hello. Are you okay? Okay, she's fine. Oh my gosh! The roof came out. Oh no. Okay, the roof might cave in. Oh no, I don't like this. Oh my god. Oh no, someone just died. Flucci 2012. That's a weird name. Oh my god. Oh no. The whole thing's gonna come down. The whole thing's about to come down. Oh no. Oh, wait, I survived. Woo! Yeesh, that was a little bit, that was pretty extreme. I'm gonna reset my character. Dead. I'm dead now. Lucky Mart. What, Lucky Mart? Oh, Lucky Mart. Yeah, yeah, that guy's a noob. What's up, noob? He's got a chest on his head. Oh, no. Not more clouds again? Bruh. Oh, no, this is not. Dude, people have got balloons. It costs Robux. And obviously, I don't have Robux because yeah, you know, I don't really, obviously, I don't really have Robux, so. Wait, no, wait. I better get inside. Wait, it could be a flash flood, but I'm still gonna stay inside just in case. What's it gonna be? Flash flood! I knew it would be. Okay, it was a flash flood. I did kind of have a feeling it would be a flash flood. Quick, get up! I think we're safe. Oh no, it's rising, it is rising. Okay, get up. Oh no, get up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Help. We're sinking! We're gonna die! Wait! We still survived! Dude! We were about to die! Okay, I'm gonna reset my character again because I was losing lots of health. I'm dead. Oh my gosh, there's not even anything left. What's that? Oh, those are just my those are just shadows. Sunny Ranch. What kind of ranch? The ranch of that ranch, that kind of sauce, or this kind of ranch? Well, obviously this kind. Imagine if there was a place called Ranch World where there was lots of, where the ground was, instead of grass or dirt, it was just like pure ranch, like the sauce kind. Oh no, the clouds again. Oh no, this lady's lost her health, and the round hasn't even the disaster. Whoa, calm down. The disaster didn't even start, and he already died. Oh wait, acid rain. Go. Get indoors. Okay. Oh no, the floor is turning it. Oh no, the roof is turning into acid. Help. Oh wait, get under here. What, guys, what are you doing? Don't get on the roof. That's extremely bad. Oh my gosh, the roof came down. Oh no, I don't like this. Oh no, someone just died. Oh no. I don't like this. Oh no. I don't like this. People are dying very quickly. And that's definitely not good. Oh no, he died. He touched he just jumped into the acid and just like, oof. He just straight away died. It's like one tiny touch and he just legit just died straight away. That was probably because he didn't have much health. Oh no! I'm gonna die as well. Oh no! Oh my god! I don't like this at all. Okay. Wait. There's Yes! I somehow survived! Oh, dude, I'm on fire! Okay, guys, we're gonna do one more disaster and then I'll have to go, okay? Yeesh, look at it! Oh my gosh. Looks like an ancient road. Oh no, someone jumped off! Oh, I better reset my character, but it's kind of too late now. And besides, I haven't even lost much health. But you don't get back your health. The only way to get it back is to reset yourself. I don't want to risk falling down. But I'm gonna go up anyway. Oh, I did. Wait. Oh no, the clouds are coming back. No, I think we should get down. No, we should go down. We should definitely go down. If there's a storm, then we should definitely get down. Oh no, someone just died. Wait, that's a rocket. Oh yeah, I heard the rocket works, but the bridge just fell down, so we can't get on it now. Tornado! Oh no, it killed me! Oh my god! It legit just spawned on top of me. Dude, that was legit and uncool at the same time. Oh my gosh. It literally formed on top of me and it just legit just killed me straight away. I couldn't even react. I couldn't even run away. I didn't have any time. I just died straight away. Oh no, what are those people doing on that building? They're gonna die. Oh my gosh. Dude. Why? The thing I hate about tornado is whenever it's really random. Sometimes it kills you, sometimes it doesn't, which makes it weird. So usually, oh my god, so many people are typing in chat. Another storm, tornado, flood. So many people are dying and typing in chat. How am I alive? I don't know. It's just pure luck, bro. Alright, guys. So see you later. Oh my god, the tornado's demolished everything. Okay. Alright, see you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.